Hey guys, it's Mini Simp. I'm here unboxing something from Weavers. It is either my ARMY membership or the new Tomorrow by Together album. So the thing is I can't remember. You know Weavers, they just ship and then they don't really tell you what it is. So we'll have fun. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it is the new Tomorrow by Together albums. Here, let's put everything on the table. The box is so huge. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the poster first. See what we got here.
Very great way to handle a poster.
Yeah, right? Just shake.
Guys, you have to tell us in the comments what's worse, either opening up a package wrap with your teeth or trying to shake out a poster.
I feel like opening a package wrap with your teeth.
I don't know. I mean, J-Hope did it. If he was confident enough, like...
Yeah, but they were also throwing their photo cards in that video, so...
Oh, yeah, very bad.
Woo! We got... Okay, I'm gonna move the albums. Here... Woo! Flinging photo cards or flinging posters, that's the question. So this is the first poster we have. We got Yeonjin, Soobin, Hyunin Kai, Taehyun, and Bonggu. Handsome, handsome, handsome. The next one is... Oh, wow! This is nice. I like this theme. Wow. Handsome men. Very handsome. Not as handsome as BTS, but they're there. They're great. They're cool. And this one, yeah.
They're very slippery.
They are. They're slippery. But they're big. They're bright. They're beautiful. If they'll fit in my bedroom, that's the question. Okay. Whew. Now we have this.
Bubble wrap, yay.
Bubble wrap! We love bubble wrap. Brittany's like the queen of bubble wrap. When she was little, she just popped all of them. Mini Simp. Sorry, guys.
Whoops, name reveal at like 8 subscribers.
Well, our names are fine. It's okay. Okay, so now to figure out how to open this. This is... Okay, 1 second. I think I need to turn it towards me. Oh, jeez. What? Ah! I did a thing. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh!
Ooh.
That's cool! That's so
Ooh.
cool, guys! Oh my god! So we got the different versions here. The Minisode 1 Blue Hour package. We got... Which version is this? R, AR, and VR. Wow. Yeah, so
I'm trying to show the whole box and you just have that. There we go.
there we go. Okay, so which one first? Probably the first one. Obviously. I'll move this. This is, I like that. Woo. If only I could just display that on my wall, it'd be totally worth it. they went through a lot to like make sure everything was okay. Feet me struggling like. Oh my gosh. Why is this so hard? Watch this be our longest video because I can't open things.
It already is.
Oh. 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 Where'd the pixels go? Okay.
On the thing.
Oh. Blue. Okay, so we got the track list with all the fun Korean mojo that I don't know. Fun times. Did I fold that up correctly? I hope I did. And then we got the behind book. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. That's awesome. I like that. I like how they did that. Stickers! Stickers! Look at all the stickers. We love stickers here in this household.
I like how it's video game themed.
Right? The retro theme Big Hit is going with is great. Oh! We got Taehyung.
Also very slippery.
Right? Slippery, slippery, slippery. That's cool. And then, I'm not going to flip through everything, but we got the basics here. Just trying to see. This is cool. Where the photo cards are at. Maybe at the, at the back. Oh, we got the scan cue card thing. I'm not showing you. That's mine. Sorry, guys. Oh, and a Taehyung photo card. That's cool. And then, yeah, the CD. Not that interesting.
And we'll do the other two on another video.
Yes.
So have yourselves a great day.
Have fun.
Sorry
Stay
for
safe.
not uploading the games. We were on that. College got busy.
Yes. School is crazy.
We'll get you one soon.
Yep. Bye.